In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address on Gumroad. Let's walk through this together step by step so you can update your account details quickly and confidently. First, start by going to your Gumroad dashboard. Open your browser and log into your Gumroad account the way you normally do. Once you're signed in, you should land on your main dashboard. This is the page where you usually see an overview of your products, sales, and other account activity. Make sure you're on this dashboard page before moving on, because all the options we need will be accessible from here. Next, look for the settings option. You'll usually find this in the navigation menu, either on the left-hand side or at the top of the page, depending on the current Gumroad layout. Click on settings. This will open a new page dedicated to your account configuration, where you can manage things like payments, notifications, and personal details. On the settings page, locate the section labeled User Details or something very similar. This is where your basic account information is stored, including your name and the email address currently associated with your Gumroad account. In that section, find the email field. Click directly into that field so you can edit it. You should see your current email address highlighted or ready to be changed. Go ahead and delete the existing email from that field so it's completely empty. Now, type in the new email address you want to use for your Gumroad account. Take your time here and make sure you enter it correctly. A good tip is to type it once, then quickly read it back to yourself to check for any typos, especially around the @ symbol and the domain name. Remember, this is the address Gumroad will use for important notifications, receipts, and account recovery, so accuracy really matters. Once your new email address is entered and you're happy with it, scroll down if needed and look for the button that says Update Settings. Click on this button to save your changes. After you click it, Gumroad will update your account with the new email address. In many cases, you may receive a confirmation email at your new address, so be sure to check your inbox and, if necessary, your spam or promotions folder. And that's it. You've successfully updated your email address on Gumroad.